Hello friends, this is Melanie Stone, the Mistress of the Dorkness, and I wanted to talk to you today about BricsCAD V21 Interface. Everything I'm going to walk you through today is available in the Pro version and the Ultimate version, and almost everything you're going to see is also available in BricsCAD Lite. You're looking at the way BricsCAD Ultimate appears out of the box. I haven't made any modifications to the interface yet. Starting at the top, we have the Access toolbar. You can drag that someplace else if you don't like it there. You can also right-click, select Toolbars, and pick other things to add there. Next is the ribbon. We have our standard Windows interface, tabs, and panels. And of course, you can modify those as well. Next are the drawing tabs, the drawing area, your model space and layout tabs. Below that is the command line, and you have your suggested commands and settings right here. And on the very bottom is the status bar. You can quickly turn off and on options, and if you disable some of these other features, you can see their status down here, just so you've still got a reference. Over on the right hand side, we have our properties panel. We can also access our layer list, any files that we have attached, access the sheet sets and all their functions there. You can access parameters and constraints here, and you can also look into your drawing structure. You can dig into your blocks and see what type of entities and how many there are. Now this is a block with a lot of parameters. If you're wondering why there's so many sub-entities in the block, that's why. One cool thing, if you select this block, there's a history. So if you make some changes to your block, you can undo those easily, even if you've had other commands completed in between them. The next interface component is the Look From widget. Right now we're looking straight down, but we can change that. Top front right, top back right. Very easy to switch around, and I like the little chair icon that can help you picture which direction you're coming from. And it's very simple and intuitive to move back to your plan view. Next, let's check out the prompt menu. I'm going to draw a rectangle, and I get a little pop-up here showing me the different options that I might want to click on. Obviously, you still have your prompts down here that you can choose from with your mouse, or type in one of the shortcuts there in orange. Then, once you are making a selection, you get your HotKey Assistant showing up here. It's a little prompt so that when you're trying to select something, you get a choice between the entire object, or just a face, or just an edge, and you use Control to toggle through any of those selection options right there. The next interface element would come up when you want to modify an object. This is called the quad display. It actually will pop up if you just hover over an entity. This has some submenus, but unlike most right-click menus, this just has icons. They're nice and large. If you don't like this interface after giving it a try, you can always disable it, and then you will have access to the right-click menu that you're more familiar with. If you want to simplify things, you can always click the clean screen button. There's also the shortcut of Control-0 to toggle between those. And See the settings here? This is where you would be able to modify all of the options for your drawing and environment. Last but not least, this is your Drawing Explorer. If you want to copy over some entities from other files, you can do that here, setting whether or not they're explodable and any other basic information about them. I hope you enjoyed this look at the BricsCAD interface. See you next time.